Hey everyone, welcome to our XTool laser machine buying guide. Today we are going to walk you through our star lineup: XTool P2S, S1, F1 Ultra, F1, and M1 Ultra. Each machine is incredibly user-friendly and comes with its own unique features. Let's help you find your perfect XTool laser engraver today. Let's go. We'll kick things off with the flagship product of XTool. This is XTool P2S, the most advanced desktop CO2 laser engraver on the market, loaded with XTool's cutting-edge technology. Its dual 16-megapixel cameras can capture the tiniest details and can precisely handle batch processing like a pro through our XTool Creative Space software. You can engrave on the tip of a pencil. Or tackle 100 small items at once. Just put them on the bed, and the machine does the rest. The CO2 laser's cutting power is awesome. And we're looking at 20 millimeters. Solid walnut, and we have 18. Let's get started. Look at that, it's nice and clean. Plus, XTool P2S supports innovative accessories that expand its capabilities. We've even got the first ever automatic feeder for materials up to 118 inches. Perfect for projects like a store sign. And we offer a riser base for your taller objects. If you're looking for a versatile, top-of-the-line machine for your laser business, especially if you work with acrylic or need to cut and engrave some extra long materials, XTool P2S is your go-to choice. It's the ultimate all-in-one solution. Now, let's dive into F1 Ultra, a top-tier engraving machine built for small businesses. Compared to P2S, F1 Ultra not only offers even greater engraving speed and precision, making it the most advanced desktop fiber laser engraving on the market, but it's also the first dual laser machine with both a 20-watt fiber laser and a 20-watt diode laser. The fiber laser can handle almost all metals, including deep engraving, embossing, and thin metal cutting, while the diode laser is perfect for materials like wood and leather. Plus, F1 Ultra's processing area is 3 times larger than similar products, and it engraves at a blazing speed of 10,000 millimeters per second, 17 times faster than P2S, completing tasks in just seconds. To maximize this speed, F1 Ultra is equipped with an industry-first conveyor. Now let me show you how it works. Here we go. This is our conveyor, and we're going to put it in like that, all the way in. Simply place your items on the conveyor and the camera automatically recognizes them, while XTool Creative Space software ensures precise engraving on each piece, enabling highly automated batch production. Guess what? You won't waste your precious materials anymore. 21 engineers of our team have tested over 400 materials, creating the most comprehensive parameter library on the market. Select the effect you want, and with one click, the perfect settings are loaded, saving you time, money, and hassle. Whether you are customizing jewelry, need fast engraving, or offering on-the-spot personalization, F1 Ultra is your ultimate choice. Now, let's look at XTool F1, the portable version of F1 Ultra, your bestie for mobile setups like craft shows. While its lasers aren't as powerful as F1 Ultra, it still handles engraving on most woods and nearly all metals. XTool F1's working area is about a quarter the size of F1 Ultra. It's smaller, but perfect for mobility. And if you take your F1 to a craft show, you don't need a computer. You can control it with your phone or iPad. Even with 4,000 millimeters per second engraving speed, it's still far ahead of the competitor. Now, let's dive into the best-selling desktop laser engraver, XTool S1. XTool S1 is fully enclosed Class 1 safety diode laser machine with our patented pinpoint technology, achieving a precision of just 0.02 millimeters. You're guaranteed perfect engravings on your precious items every time. This machine features switchable laser modules, 10 watt, 20 watt, and 40 watt diode lasers for cutting wood, acrylic, and leather, plus a 2 watt 1064 nanometer infrared laser for metals and some plastics. The machine is highly expandable. The bed size is standout, 23.93 inches by 15.16 inches, the largest in its class. Plus, you can expand it to 118 inches with an automatic feeder and engrave taller objects with a riser base. Or team up with a screen printer to create colorful art at your home. If you're new to lasers, XTool S1 is the perfect starter. It's versatile, expandable, ready to grow with your creativity, and safe for home with kids and pets. Now, it's time to move on to M1 Ultra, the ultimate tool for craft enthusiasts and ready to amaze. Let's go. This is the world's first 4-in-1 DIY machine that combines laser engraving, cutting, pen drawing, and inkjet printing. You save your precious space with 4 modes and 9 functions. It's designed to handle almost any material effortlessly. Plus, there's no steep learning curve, no need to juggle endless craft software. With XTool Creative Space software, M1 Ultra offers an impressive snapshot preview. Just snap a photo with your phone to instantly see real-time project previews with up to 10 times better accuracy than the built-in single camera. Choose cutting head and add vibrant color prints on paper in one go. Its modular design lets you easily switch to different models, and more models are on the way to level up your DIY game. No design experience? No worries. The IGC feature of XTool Creative Space opens endless ideas for creative projects. Let me show you how it's done. Powered by advanced models and proprietary algorithms, it turns your ideas into laser-ready files. Choose from a variety of styles to start creating. Take a look. I love it. You can explore thousands of laser projects on our exclusive Design Find platform. Get inspired, download designs, and share your ideas. Enjoy creative ideas at your fingertips. For home DIYers, the M1 Ultra isn't the ideal pick. Picture this. Mom personalizes t-shirts, dad crafts unique toys for the kids, and everyone gets involved in fun projects. This versatile and reliable tool is safe for the whole family and meets everyone's creative needs. M1 Ultra is perfect for cutting various materials like vinyl, canvas bags, and more. Once you're done cutting, you'll definitely want to check out our heat press machine designed for craft lovers. This heat press is the first on the market to offer both a desktop working surface and portable functionality. You can use platform mode to adjust the pressure and free your hands, or switch to handheld mode, ideal for thicker or movable items like wooden boxes, roller beads, and blankets. Check this out. It features a wireless smart control, which lets you precisely control temperature and time for HTV, sublimation, DTF transfers, and more. You can also use custom presets, saving you from constant adjustments and boosting efficiency. And don't miss our mini heat press, right here. It's the world's first mini heat press with precise temperature control and preset options. You can always achieve perfect results. Now let's explore some universal accessories that can expand your machine's capabilities. First up is our popular 4-in-1 rotary attachment, RA2 Pro right here. It handles 99% of cylindrical items like tumblers, rings, and goblets. When paired with our accessory kit, XTool RA2 Pro Deluxe version becomes the most advanced on the market. It's compatible with P2S, F1 Series, S1, and M1 Ultra, broadening your creativity possibilities. We also offer XTool's revolutionary laser screen printer, which simplifies the traditionally complex screen printing process. Check this out. With XTool Creative Space software, just drag in your graphic and bam! It automatically splits into multiple color layers. Couldn't be easier. Just stretch your screen, laser engrave the screen plate, and print. And you'll get vibrant prints on various materials. It will be the perfect complement to your laser works. If fumes and odors are a concern for you, rest assured that at XTool we've got you covered with a top-notch performance and unbeatable user experience, without ever compromising on safety and cleanliness. Introducing our cutting-edge air purifier for lasers, the industry's best Safety Pro AP2. Equipped with a super cyclone system and a heavy-duty 6-layer filter weighing up to 20 pounds, it efficiently captures smoke, fumes, and strong odors from cutting acrylic. Breathe easy and focus on your creativity with complete confidence. Every XTool machine is designed with your safety in mind. We offer an exclusive fire extinguisher box called the XTool Safety Set, which automatically puts out flames. Plus, most of our XTool machines feature an enclosed design and built-in flame sensors. Create with complete peace of mind. That's it with accessories. Let's move on. So, how do you choose the right laser machine for you? Let's take a closer look at the differences. We have the F series with the F1 Ultra and F1. They deliver exceptional engraving capabilities and efficiency, paired with advanced smart features. The F1 Ultra is perfect for small businesses with its powerful 20-watt fiber laser, large work area, and fast engraving. It's ideal for detailed metal work and high-volume production. The F1 is perfect for DIYers, offering portability for craft shows and handling most tasks with ease. Choose the F1 Ultra for professional needs, and the F1 for portability. P2S. It boasts the strongest cutting power, highest efficiency, and top-notch intelligence. For small business users, the P2S and F1 series are a perfect match. The P2S excels at cutting, while the F1 series is incredibly fast at engraving. Together, you get 3 types of laser sources to handle almost any material, ideal for batch processing both engraving and cutting. They'll boost your efficiency. The P2S and F1 Ultra are the ultimate duo for your laser business. Then, there's the S1. It stands out for its excellent expandability, strong safety features, and budget-friendly price. Choosing between the S1 and P2S, both are Class 1 safety rated and handle curved engraving and larger projects. For advanced features and acrylic cutting, go with the P2S. If you're new or on a budget, the S1 is a great, affordable choice. Finally, the M1 Ultra is incredibly versatile, combining great expandability with safety and features perfect for beginners. So how to decide between the S1 and M1 Ultra? If laser cutting and engraving are your primary focus, the S1's powerful laser and larger work area might be for you. However, if you're into DIY and exploring various creative projects, you'll love the M1's Ultra's versatile 4-in-1 functionality. We are running a thrilling trade-up promotion. Whether you're using a laser machine or vinyl cutter from any brand, you can join in. No need to return your old machine. Just upgrade to one of our XTool machines and enjoy exclusive discounts and offers. Now is the perfect chance to boost your creative capabilities. Last but not least, when you purchase any XTool machines, you can enjoy payments as low as 0% APR for 18 months, plus free shipping. Ready to take your creativity further? Now's the perfect time to level up your machines and see where it takes you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Happy creating!